Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Yen and I am a full-time reseller on apps like Depop, Poshmark, and Mercari. So today I wanted to film a more vlog style video just to show you guys behind the scenes of what my workday looks like. If you are a return viewer, you might know that I'm in a different location and I finally got to move some things around and I have a little office corner. So this is where I will be filming now. If you guys are new here, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and also give this video a big thumbs up. It would really help me out, and let's get into this video. So today is December 6th and it is a Monday. I have a really busy day today. I'm running a little bit late today. It's 10:40, almost 11 o'clock, and usually I try to get up in the morning around 8 a.m. just to, you know, squeeze in the gym and everything because it takes some time. So today I am going to the post office, which I'm about to go do. So these are the 5 packages that I will be shipping out today. Okay guys, so I've made it to the thrift store. I'm going to go in and give myself an hour to find some things. It is currently 12:06, so I need to get out of here by 1:06. Okay guys, so I just came out and it is 1:08, so I was pretty good on time. I only picked up 2 things. The first thing I picked up is there's a really cute little blue bag and it is a crossbody. This one is for myself. It's just so cute. There's no brand or anything, but it's so tiny. I don't even know what I can fit in here. And then the other thing I got was a pair of jeans, and this one is a really nice pair. It's actually by Aritzia. So this one was $6.99 and my bag was $5.99. It is the Yoko High Rise Slim pair of jeans. It's in this light wash color and it just looks like this. I feel like this can sell for around $40 to $50. So I just got back and I have a mail. So I'm going to open this and show you guys. I ordered some stickers from Etsy to use for my packages. These are all of the stickers that I bought. They're so cute. I also wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Princess Polly. I ordered a pair of leather pants. I have such a hard time finding leather pants at the thrift store, so I decided to just order a pair that was highly rated on Princess Polly. So I hope that they work out. Looks like this, and then the leg is like a straight leg. And then I also got this hat because it's super cute and they had like a 20% off sale, and the hat just says it's cool to be kind, and I've been loving this forest green color. I love the shade. It's so cute and perfect to wear to the gym or just, you know, going out. So this is how the leather pants look like on, and I ordered an 8 instead of a 6, which I'm usually a 6. I'm pretty happy that I ordered the 8 because it's a little bit tight around my thighs, so it gives this weird front seam look. This is me on my tippy toes, and I think the length is pretty good so that I can wear heels and stuff, so it's not too bad. So this is my lunch. I have some pasta and I added sriracha on top, so it looks really good. I have some chicken and also broccoli, which I love. Super simple but really delicious. So it is currently 3:04 and I'm going to make coffee. It is a little bit late to make some coffee, but I think I need it. So I have these 2 instant coffee bags that I think you should get. It's the Coffee G7 instant coffee. I love this. This is so good. I have 2 bags because I'm a little crazy. So what I do is I'm currently heating up water, and right now I'm just putting the powder into my cup. And this is such a cute mug from Target. This is my coffee mug. I am going to pour a little bit in. If you want to just drink it with some water, that's totally fine as well. But I'm going to show you guys how to make it like a more latte drink because I love a sweet coffee. So it's just enough to mix the powder. I think this powder already has some sweetness to it, so you can just drink it as is. This saves me so much money from going to Starbucks every day, and also it's very quick to make. Until I get an espresso machine, this is what I will be using. Okay, so before I put in ice, I'm going to put in condensed milk to mix with the hot coffee. I have this one. It's a black and white sweetened condensed milk. It looks like this. And I put like a teaspoon and a half just because I like it sweet, but I think 1 teaspoon would have plenty of sweetness. I'm going to add a lot of ice in my drink because I like it cold, and you can add your milk slowly just so that you can determine how strong you want it to be. So this is my coffee. It is so good and an easy way to make Vietnamese iced coffee. I am going to plan out my schedule just so that I can have an idea of what I want to do this week, and then I will try to film a video right after. So I'm just gonna review everything that I have, and I use Notion, so I love how organized it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you guys want a Notion tour, I can definitely do that. Just let me know. So it is currently 3:42 and I'm about to film my other video, which is going to be up before this one. It is my November sales video, so if you guys want to check it out, I will leave it above. Okay guys, so it is 4:35 and I'm finally done with my video. It took a while because I can't really talk properly. Now that I'm done with my video, I'm going to try to take some try-on pictures of things that I have around me. So I am going to work on some shoes because I have a bag of unlisted shoes here, and if I don't get these listed, they're just going to be sitting in my car. So I need to get these things listed so I can clean out my car. But I do have some really cute heels. I actually did have a bins trip haul and I will link it above, but these were all of the shoes that I got on that trip, and I'm going to try to get them all listed right now. So I don't know if you guys can see, probably not, but I have my little white rug right here, and I have these box lights that help take pictures of the shoes, and I would just be sitting down here and working on the shoes. So it is currently 6:56 and it's almost 7 o'clock. I'm still working on listing these shoes, and then I'll edit my video tonight, and hopefully I can get that video up tomorrow. So that is basically my entire work day. I hope you guys enjoyed this like vlog style video. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this, and also subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. It would really help me out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.